Hello everyone, today you have joined the DT Creative Elk YouTube channel. Missing your Android device and need some help locating it? I'm Jessica from TechBoomers.com, and in this video I'll show you how to find a lost or stolen Android device. Now let's get started. If your Android is signed into your Google account, you should easily be able to locate your missing device using Google's Find My Device system. To locate your device through Find My Device, go under Computer or a friend's mobile device and go and search Find My Device or google.com/Android. Find in your web browser. Select the device you're looking for. You should see your Android's location on the map on your screen. You'll also be able to see your device's battery level and the Wi-Fi network gets connected to, if applicable. Use the options in the menu on the left to play a sound, lock your device, or erase everything on your device. If you choose to play a sound, your device will sound for 5 minutes even if it was set to silent. With the Secure Device option, you can add a message to the person who may have found your device and include a phone number where you can be contacted. Hopefully with the sound and location information you'll be able to locate your missing device. That's all it takes to locate a lost or stolen Android device. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, we'd love it if you'd hit the thumbs up button below and subscribe to our channel. We put out great new tech tutorials.